Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Sig P365 X macro. And this is going to be exactly the same with the other P365 series. So the P365, the P365 XL, it's all going to be the same. But today, I'll just cover the X macro. So the first thing you want to do when you come up to this firearm is you want to remove the source of ammunition and clear it. Lock the slide to the rear. Physically and visually inspect that chamber. Inspect your magazine well. Then one last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. Now from here, with the slide locked to the rear, you're going to rotate that takedown lever to a 90-degree position. Once you've done that, you're going to press down on your slide stop and ride your slide forward. The slide's going to come right off. From here, you can set down your frame. We're going to remove the recoil spring assembly just by pulling up and out. And then we're going to remove the barrel the same exact way. Pull up and out. And now your firearm is broken down into 4 separate components and is completely disassembled, otherwise known as field stripped. From here, you can clean your firearm, re-lubricate it, or do any other type of preventive maintenance that you need to do to your firearm. Now, to put it back together, we're just going to reassemble it in the exact same order. So drop that barrel in. Push it to the back, grab your recoil spring assembly, set that in. Using your thumb, you're going to apply forward and downwards pressure. And this is going to lock it into the barrel lug. Check alignment. Make sure that it's locked right in that barrel lug there. Now from here, pick up that frame and you're going to line your slide up with the frame rails. Slowly slide your slide back onto the frame, just like so. Now once you got this to position, you're going to lock that slide to the rear. Just like so. Once you've locked it to the rear, engage that takedown lever back to its original position, just like that, and then send your slide forward. Now from here, we're going to perform a function check. Rack your slide once, press in your trigger, and hold it to the rear. While you're holding it to the rear, rack that slide a second time, slowly release, listening for the reset. Just heard the reset. This is basically telling you that you just reassembled that firearm properly and now it's functioning. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.